Welcome to today's video, everyone. We're going to be talking about the enhanced risk to supervisor on Mother's Day, so let's get started. Alright, we can see we got an enhanced risk in Texas, a slight risk in Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas, Mississippi. We can see also margin risk in Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Mississippi, Alabama, then typical thunderstorm risk in West Virginia, PA, and some of the New England states. We can see also then a margin risk in Florida. We can see then a margin risk in New Mexico. We can see also on here too, guys. We can see. So let's move on to our hail, wind risk, tornado risk for today. This is our wind risk, everybody, for today. We can see we got 30% wind risk. We can see for Texas. We got significant wind risk. We can see also on here, guys. We can see them at 15% wind risk for Louisiana, Arkansas, Mississippi, Texas. We can see then a 5% wind risk for Texas, Oklahoma. We can see Arkansas, Mississippi, and Alabama, and Florida. We can see also. So let's move on to our hail risk. We can see. Then we got a 30% hail risk for today. We can see. We got a significant one hail risk in Texas. You can see a 30% hail risk. Then a 15% hail risk in Texas, Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi. We can see. Then we got a 5% hail risk for New Mexico, Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Mississippi, and Louisiana. We can see also, guys. So yeah, let's move on to our tornado risk. Then today we got a 2% tornado risk. We can see also on here, guys, for Texas. Alright, everyone, so we're going to be looking at our radar projections now. So it's Sunday, 8 a.m. We can see in Oklahoma. We got some storms in Oklahoma. We can see also some storms in Texas, Arkansas, Louisiana. We can maybe see some rain also, but we can maybe have a potential storm in Oklahoma for this morning. We can saw in Oklahoma, Sunday, 8 a.m. We can see then some rain in Colorado, Kansas. We can see also on here. Then some rain down in Louisiana, Mississippi, and rain in Ohio. See also on here too, guys. So yeah, then Sunday 10 a.m. we can see most of these places could just have rain. We can see in Oklahoma. See also rain in Louisiana, Mississippi. We can see also on here in Arkansas too. Maybe some scattered rain in Nebraska, Iowa. We can see on here rain in Ohio. Also rain in New Mexico, Texas. Rain in Colorado. We can see in Kansas also on here, guys, too. Then Sunday at noon, we can see a line of storm starts forming in Texas. We can see also around noon today. We can see in Arkansas, Oklahoma. We can see in Texas, we got some rain in Kansas, Oklahoma. And we got some rain in Missouri also. We can see also on here, guys. So yeah, 1 p.m. we can see some storms in Texas. We can see Sunday at 1. We got some rain in Missouri, Arkansas. We can see rain in Kansas, Oklahoma. We can see Texas also. Rain in Iowa. We can see also rain in Mississippi too. We can see on here also, guys. So yeah, let's look at get some maybe rain in Mississippi too. We can see on here too also, guys. So yeah, let's look. Then Sunday 2 p.m. we can have storms in Texas. We can see Arkansas too on here. Some rain in Oklahoma, Kansas. We can see some rain maybe up in Missouri. Some maybe light storms in Texas. We can see in the western part of Texas, in northern part of Texas. We can see on here. Sunday 3 p.m. we can see a line of storms really starting to form in some places like Louisiana, Arkansas, Texas too. Rain in Oklahoma, even Texas too, and Kansas too. In Nebraska and Arkansas and Missouri too. Sunday 4 p.m. we can see a storm in the western part of Texas forming. In Oklahoma we can have maybe some storms also. In Louisiana we can have some storms also. In Arkansas, you can see on here, and rain in Kansas too. Sunday 5 p.m. we got storms in Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas, Oklahoma. We got some potential storms. And some rain in New Mexico too. We can see also on here, and maybe some storms in Tennessee and Kentucky. Okay, then Sunday 6 p.m. see some storms in Texas forming. Also, then we got some storms in Oklahoma. We can see in New Mexico. We can see in Arkansas. We got some storms in Louisiana too. See Sunday at 6 p.m. Sunday 7 p.m. we can see we have storms in Texas also. Rain in Oklahoma, storms in Louisiana, storms maybe in New Mexico potentially too. And some storms in Arkansas and some rain in Oklahoma potentially in storms. Sunday 8 p.m. we can see our storms really starting to form in Texas. We can see also rain in we got some maybe rain in Oklahoma, potentially be a storm in there too. Some storms down in Louisiana. We can see also some storms down in Arkansas. We can see in Kansas and Nebraska. We can see on here. Sunday 9 p.m. we can see we got storms in Texas. We can see also Oklahoma. We can see also we got some rain also. See we have a line of storms in Texas. And we got some storms in Louisiana, Mississippi maybe. Sunday 10 p.m. we can see our line of storms really starting to form in places like Texas. Also in Oklahoma. We see also in rain in Arkansas too on here. And we can see rain in Illinois too on here. Sunday 11 p.m. we got a line of storms in Texas. We can see also rain in Arkansas potentially too. Maybe some scattered rain in Louisiana too. Monday at midnight we can see our line starts to shrink a little bit. We can still have some damaging winds, but it's starting to shrink. We can see our storm by Monday at midnight. You can see on here, guys, also. Monday 1 a.m. we can see it's pretty much just shrunk at this point. It's pretty much the damaging wind just going down by 1 a.m. 2 a.m. it's pretty much just rain in a lot of places. We can see also in Texas. And we can see also it's more just rain at this point. We can see in Texas. So let's move on to our next thing we're going to talk about. All right, everyone. So we're going to get to our storm cap now. So Sunday, 10 a.m. we can see we have 2600 storm cap in Texas, 1700 in Oklahoma, 1500 in Arkansas, 1400 in Louisiana, 1800 in Texas, 2500 in Texas. See also Oklahoma 1000 storm cap. We can see Louisiana 1500 storm cap. We can see on here. Also too, we get in Tennessee. We have 600 Alabama. You see we got maybe 100, 200 Mississippi, 700 storm cap also on here. Then by Sunday at noon, we can see we have 3,900 storm cap in some places in Texas. You can see also 2,900 Arkansas, around 2,000 storm cap also. Louisiana 1,200 storm cap. We can see also on here too, guys. And a few hundred storm cap in Mississippi. We can see also 600 in Tennessee too. Kentucky 100 storm cap too. We can see on here, and maybe New Mexico we have a few hundred storm cap too. Then we can see by 3 p.m. on Sunday we still got 3,000 storm cap in parts of Texas. We can see maybe even 4,000, potentially 2,000. We can see in parts of Texas too. Arkansas we can see around 1,500 storm cap in some places. 1,300 in Louisiana storm cap. Mississippi 700. Alabama 800. Kentucky 100 storm cap. And even 200 storm cap in Tennessee. Arkansas 1,000. We can see also New Mexico. We can see 600 to 1,000 in some spots. We can see also on here, guys. Then we can see our storm cap numbers by Sunday 8 p.m. We can see 2,700 in parts of southern Texas. We can see it also. See Louisiana 2,000 storm cap. Mississippi 1,000 storm cap also. We can see on here also, guys. Tennessee 300, Kentucky 200 storm cap. We can see Mississippi 500. We can see on here Alabama 300. Mississippi we can see 800, 1,600, 1,400, 2,000 storm cap, 2,700 storm cap in southern Texas. And we can see by 11 p.m. our storm cap numbers have went down a lot because you see in another part of Texas right there we have 2,900 storm cap. You can see also 2,800 storm cap. Also, we can see an 1,800 storm cap in parts of Louisiana and Mississippi. 600 storm cap in Tennessee. 300 storm cap also. Alabama 300. So by Monday at 1 a.m. we can see our storm cap numbers have went down a lot. We went to 1,000 some places, 1,100, 12, 13, 1,400. You can see also Mississippi 600 storm cap. Also Alabama 500 storm cap in Georgia. 500 storm cap. We can see also on here, guys. Also, there's going to be something else we're going to be talking about in this video. Now we're going to be talking about our temperatures. So there's this cold front coming in. We're going to be talking about for early this week. It's like some places it could get down into the 30s at night. We can see in Minnesota it's 35, 36, 36 in Wisconsin. We can see for Monday, May 11th at midnight. We can see 47 in Illinois, 49 in Indiana, 45 in Ohio, 40 in Michigan. 50 in Missouri, 56 in Kansas we can see also. So yeah, Then we can see overnight, we can see the cold front starts moving in more. Monday around 6 or 7 a.m. we can see we have freezing temperatures in Wisconsin. Probably more freeze warnings will be issued, and even in Michigan too. We see Verde 2, Verde 1, Michigan Peninsula. We get down to 29 maybe, even maybe some 20s in Wisconsin. We can see for this time of year in Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, and the 40s in Iowa, and the Verdes in 40s. Then we can see our country. We can see there's a bit of a warm up also in some of these places. Like we still had a cold front that came in, but it's like we're gonna have so cold air in some places. We can see like we have 80s in Nebraska, in South Dakota. We can see, but in Wisconsin we still got 50s in Michigan Peninsula. We got 40s too, also in 40s in Michigan too. We can see also on here. Yeah, then we can see. Look at this, guys. Like, let's move on to our east region and see what's going on there. We got heat over there, 80s, and we got cold air over here. We can see for Tuesday at 3 a.m. We got Verdes and 40s in Ohio, Verdes in PA. We can see some freezing temperatures in New York. Got some freeze warnings up there probably. In places like PA, also with that Verde too. Even Michigan Peninsula, we can maybe have a freeze warning too. We can see in Michigan, in some spots, probably frost advisory for most of these places. We can see, and high freeze warning and frost advisory for New York. I think we see Tuesday by 7 a.m. This is like it can be a quick like cold front. Looks like to me on here. So got Verdes in New York. We can see we have warmer air sign to come in again, but got warm temperatures over here. But part of Michigan we have 68, 70 degrees in some spots, but in northern Michigan Peninsula, you can see we have 43. Also, yeah, then we got 70s in parts of Ohio and 50s in some parts of Ohio. We can see here in 40s in New York. You can see also it's like we're gonna have above average temperatures in the same state and below average temperatures in the same state, everybody. So yeah, let's check how below average we're gonna be. All right, we can see Monday 8 a.m. on here. We got below average temperatures in Minnesota, about 11 to 13 degrees below average. Michigan 11 degrees below average. We're gonna see. I'm gonna show you what happens. So we got below average temperatures over here. We can see the 9 degrees below average in Indiana, 11 degrees below average in Michigan. We can see also on here. Then by 2 p.m. on Monday, some of these spots you can see we're really above average in some spots. We have a cold front and also really above average temperatures coming in some spots. It's like you see this, guys. We got warm air coming at the same time, but in a cold front too. We have it over here. Let's see. Let's move to our east region. We can see. So we can see Monday at 2 p.m. we got 10 degrees below average in Ohio, 14 degrees below average in PA, 14 degrees below average in New York, 23 degrees below average in Virginia. We can see in some spots. Also in New Jersey, we have 13 to 15 degrees below average in some spots. We can see also on here. Then Monday 5 p.m. we can see our warm front moving over here more. We can see we got places a little above average. We can see. Then we got 15 degrees below average in New York, 8 degrees below average in some of the New England states. We can see in 20 degrees below average in Virginia potentially. We can see also on here. All right, then we can see Tuesday at 2 a.m. We can see we've got 14 to 16 degrees below average in PA, Ohio, 15 degrees below average in New York. We can see 10 degrees below average in New Jersey. We can see also 13 degrees below average in some of the Virginia. We can see also. Then by you can see by Tuesday we have above average temperatures in most of these places. Tuesday night we can see maybe some below average temperatures in 11 degrees below. Yeah, we can see it. Then by we can see by Tuesday we have some above average temperatures in some places. You can see. So I'm going to be wrapping up this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something new today. I see you guys in the next one. Make sure to subscribe and notification bell. Never miss a video like this, guys. Okay, guys, I see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.